In this video, I want to walk through a quick formula I use to help estimate the potential revenue from an SEO project when you start ranking pretty well. And you could move these numbers around a little bit based on expected rankings and additional traffic. But for the purpose of this discussion here, I'm using estimates that we're ranking at the top for a keyword. The formula works as follows. Monthly search volume of a keyword times 0.3 gives us the expected traffic for a specific page when we're ranking at the top of Google. The reason for that is we look at the total monthly search volume, and when you rank well, when you rank at the top, generally you'll get about 30% of that traffic, the total traffic from that search volume. However, if you rank at the top for a primary key phrase, chances are you're going to rank for additional keywords and phrases. So that is probably an underestimate in terms of the expected traffic for that keyword, that phrase, that product. For the purpose of this formula, it makes it easy to just use a single number here as a quick estimate. That then gives us the expected traffic for that page, for that keyword. Then we multiply that times the conversion rate to get the expected number of new sales per month from that key phrase alone. Then we multiply the expected sales times the average order value to give us the expected revenue. As an example, for a keyword with 20,000 searches per month, we multiply that times 0.3 or 30% of that traffic to get 6,000 site visitors per month from SEO from this keyword. 6,000 site visitors times a 2% conversion rate would be 120 new sales times $150 order value would be $18,000 in new revenue per month from that specific keyword. Now, a couple factors to keep in mind here are the conversion rate. If you were to double that, obviously you would double the revenue from this specific keyword. So that is something I always recommend is once you start getting more traffic and start seeing some benefit and value from your SEO traffic, look at conversion as an opportunity to really ramp things up from that perspective. One more example here to use this formula with an actual example. Let's look at the key phrase coffee machine. So we have here 49,500 searches per month. So if we have 49,500 and we rank top for this key phrase to 0.3, that's 14,850 new website visitors per month looking for a coffee machine. Multiply that times our conversion rate of 2% would be 297 new sales. You would likely have your conversion data and your order size data. So you can use your exact numbers here. For this, I'm just running a couple estimates, but let's say the average order size for your coffee machine is $200. That keyword alone would be worth an additional $59,400 in new revenue every month just from SEO for ranking well for it. So then you could start to use this to understand, would it make sense to invest $5,000 or $10,000 a month in SEO to work to rank for some of these keywords? And again, this is just one keyword. If you look at the entire potential in a market and with all these additional keywords, really starts to make sense as to the true potential once you start ranking well in terms of new revenue for your business. And that's the formula I use to quickly estimate the potential ROI when you start ranking well for a keyword, especially from an SEO perspective. So hopefully you got some value from this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. I post content like this and other SEO tips and strategies to help you rank your site better and explain a little bit about my process, how it works, and how I help websites rank better and generate more revenue from SEO. And that's it. See you in the next one.